Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm excited to show you how to create a secret code for WhatsApp. This feature will let you set a unique password to unlock your app, adding an extra layer of privacy to your chats. To get started, make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed. This is crucial, as the newest updates come with this fantastic chat lock feature that many users love. Once you've updated, launch WhatsApp and head to the settings. There, you'll find the option to lock your chats with a secret code. This new feature allows you to keep your long chats secure with a password that's different from your device unlock. Let's try adding a specific chat to the Locked Chats tab. I'll also set up Face ID for added security. Once that's done, you can create your unique secret code to unlock your chats, in addition to using Face ID. And that's it. It's that easy to enhance your privacy on WhatsApp. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.